Hey everybody, my name's Andrew, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your own cryptocurrency exchange on the bezex platform. So let's get started. The first step is to visit apply.bezex.com, and then you got to fill in all the required fields, like first name, Andrew, last name, Williams, email address, williams@canoe.ca, phone number. That's not my real phone number. I don't want you guys phoning me. Country is Canada, and region, British Columbia. And when you're done, just click on Next. On the next page, you need to add the exchange name. We'll just put a demo one here. The exchange subdomain, and demo exchange, and also a description of the exchange. Test exchange for e-learning course. And when you're done, click on Next. So on this page, you need to choose the package you want, and we're going to choose Pay Now. And then you need to supply a Bitcoin address for refund. This address is used in case your application is not successful. Click Save, and then on the next screen, bezex will supply you with a BTC address to make payments. And we can just click here to copy it. And when you're done, just click Verify Payment. All right, so my application has been processed and verified by the bezex offline team. So now I'm going to go ahead and log in with the password they supplied to my email address. So as you can see, bezex automatically creates an instance of our exchange server. And the first thing we want to do is create a wallet by entering a 6-digit PIN. And then click on Setup. So now it's going to go through the process of actually setting up your exchange. This can take a little bit of time, so I've accelerated this because I don't want to bore you guys to tears. All right, so our wallet's been generated and our exchange is set up, and so now we're going to launch the exchange. The setup was successful, and now I'm in my dashboard. You can see over here, we have some different features on our left, and I'm going to walk you through some of these features and show you how to customize your exchange and make certain changes to your exchange platform. So the first one we're going to look at is the basic exchange settings. Click on Exchange, and you see here we have the exchange logo and the name, and we can set a slogan. If we scroll down, we have the description. Let's enter a description, exchange free learning, and we can set the terms and privacy policy, which I'm going to copy paste from a document I already have. And same thing for privacy policy. Copy, paste, and then scroll up, and don't forget to click Save. Now, if we click on the Domain Settings tab, we can set the domain name if we have our own URL. And then we have a landing page. We can set a landing page image, a landing page title, and of course a landing page description. And if we scroll down even further, we'll find that we have templates down here to customize the look of our exchange. I kind of like this one. We can change the colors. When you've picked one you like, just click the checkbox. And again, don't forget to come up and click Save Changes. So the next feature we're going to look at, we're going to come over to the left and click on Markets. Now I've got 3 markets here, but by default, you'll have the BTC market and the bezex market. So that's what should be currently displayed. You should not have a Venn market. Now, on each market, you can add new market pairs. So if we click on Market Pairs, it brings up a display, and we get to choose which pairs we want to have by sliding the sliders over to the right or on position. Now let's close out of here. And of course, you can do the same thing for the bezex market. So we're going to click on Market Pairs, and we've got our pair sliders. Let's turn these 2 off because I had it on the other one. And we'll turn these 2 on, and click on Close. Now, we also have the option to create new markets. As you can see, we have a huge selection of markets to choose from. So we're going to add Ethereum and add a market description, ETH market. Click Save. Market added successfully. And here we see the ETH market. Now, when you add a market, it's not active by default. So we need to come over here and move the slider from the off to the on position, and Ethereum market is now active. Now, if for any reason you don't want the Ethereum market and you want to take it off or make it non-live, you just move the slider over to the off position. Next up is listings. So when users list cryptocurrencies or tokens or assets, all the information about what they list will appear here. And now, the wallet. Now, the bezex wallet is a zero-knowledge wallet. So what does this mean? It means that it's neither centralized nor decentralized. The wallet is used to manage funds acquired from your exchange. You can also use the wallet to view transaction histories or set trading fees. For example, let's take a look at Blackcoin. You can see here the wallet address for Blackcoin and the balance, which is 0 right now. And if we want to set the trading fee, you can slide it up for more or down for a lower trading fee, depending on how much you want to charge. Now, we can do the same for Bitcoin. Here's the balance, here's the wallet address, and the trading fees, up or down. And then we're going to come over and look at announcements. Here you can set up letters and announcements to send to the users of your exchange. If we click here, we can set the announcement title. Hey, guess what? And here we'll do the body of the announcement. This is a test message. Next, we're going to look at teams. Here we can add new members to help us in the daily operations of our coin exchange. We'll click on the Add a Team Member button, and we'll add a new member. Bob Brinkley, and add his email address. Bob Brinkley's email address. And we can also assign roles to these members by checking the appropriate box for the role we want them to occupy. When you're done, click Save, and the new member will be added to your team. All right, so once you're done customizing your exchange, adding the logo, colors, the template, adding your team members, everything else, it's time to go live. Now, I know my slider's already in the live position, so we'll just ignore that. You can switch yours to live, and then don't forget to publish the changes. This is pretty much all there is to customizing your exchange. So now, we're going to view it. To do that, you have to be in the Exchange feature. We're going to come over here and click the link under the title. And here you can see my exchange, complete with title, logo, and slogan. We have 2 buttons, Register and Sign In, so new users can use your site. And now when we scroll down, you can see we have 2 different markets, BTC and bezex. You can see on each of them we have different trading prices, one price for the bezex, and of course a different price for the BTC. So there you go. This is all it takes to create an exchange on the bezex platform. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.